Let me in, please.
Fuck this shit, I'm out.
We're going back in time to the first Thanksgiving to get turkeys off the menu. That's right. We're going back in time to the first Thanksgiving to get turkeys off the menu.
Hello, darkness, my old friend. I've come to talk with you again.
English, motherfucker, do you speak it?
Oh, we're so sorry to hear about your brother that passed away. He gets 5 big booms. Boom! 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 Boom!
What the fuck is this piece of shit?
Shut up, bitch!
I cannot hold it in anymore. I just wanna, you know.
No, no, no! Everyone!
Number 7. Student watches porn and gets naked.
What? What the fuck? God damn!
These nuts. Got him! Got him!
Hey, let me get a minute. Hey, let me get one too.
Hey, let me hold him.
Yeah, you get that right there. What the dog doing?
Oh, hell no!
Yo, look who fell asleep first.
Prank him, John.
You already know.
Yo! Yo!
Yeah, boy. He needs some milk.
Now, yes.